Let's discuss the question number 22 from test series 1. The topic is maths and the subtopic is your calculus. The continuity part and the initial stages of calculus basically. So what is given is f of x is defined in this way. That is, when x is less than 3, f of x takes the value of x plus lambda. When x is equal to 3, f of x is 4. And when x is greater than 3, it is 3x minus 5. Okay, so now what is asked is f of x will be continuous at x is equal to 3 for what value of lambda. So what is lambda that will make f of x continuous at x is equal to 3? Okay, so it means, so in a layman's language, f of x is continuous when f of x takes a unique value at x. Okay, so basically, and to put it in a mathematical way, it means that limit when x tends to 3 minus, that means x is approaching 3 from left side. So something like this, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4. X is approaching 3 from left side and x is approaching, say, if x is approaching from right, then x is higher than 3. So I am writing x is, in that case I'll write x tends to 3 plus. So limit x tends to 3 minus f of x. So this value should be equal to the limiting case when x is approaching to 3 from right, and then both of these has to be equal to the functional value, that is functional value at x is equal to 3. Okay, so let's evaluate the limit, the left hand limit and the right hand limit, and then let's equate it to the functional value at 3. Okay, so let me evaluate x is equal to 3 at f of x. So now when x is less than 3 and x is approaching 3, so I can use this definition, which is x plus lambda, and the limit continues. So when you substitute x here, you will get 3 plus lambda. Okay, now basically I want to find lambda such that, so either of, the three of these three has to be equal. So let me just evaluate f of x as 3, which is already given 4. So basically using 1 and 3 we have evaluated, and 1 and 3 has to be equal for continuity. This is your mathematical definition of continuity. The limit, the left hand limit, the right hand limit has to be equal to the functional value. Okay, so let's just so what it means is basically using 1 and 3 to be equal, 3 plus lambda is equal to 4 and lambda is equal to 1. So the answer is C. Thank you.